everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have mostly regained my voice and I wanted to go ahead and film a video for you guys today talking about an upcoming event that is happening this upcoming Saturday and Sunday, January 19th and 20th in Pomona, California. It is called Blushcon, but it's also like 3 events in one. So basically, Blushcon, I believe, came into existence like last year. I found out about them last summer around BeautyCon, and I started looking into it and I found out that it's just a really small type of event, but it's in partnership with, or like in addition to, Anime Impulse and the other one, I'm looking at my phone right now so I remember, Asian American Expo. So one ticket gets you admission to all 3 of those events. So Blushcon is like focused on like Korean beauty and Asian beauty and skincare and things like that. I was looking at their website last week and they have about 56 brands partnered with them for this year. Like I said, last year was their first year. I didn't go last year, but I will be going this Saturday, the 19th. The event runs from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And like I said, Blushcon is all about like Korean beauty and Korean skincare, but along with the ticket that you purchase, you also get admission to Anime Impulse, which I believe it's really geared toward like cosplay and anime and things like that, Pokemon, just a bunch of that kind of stuff. I actually went to a retro gaming expo last year with my boyfriend, and there was a lot of like anime and video game type stuff, and it was a lot of fun. So I've been watching some videos to kind of prepare myself for this because I haven't really heard anyone talking about this type of stuff, but some of it looked kind of similar, reminded me of aspects of the SoCal Retro Gaming Expo. And then the Asian American Expo is like a bunch of little shops and vendors and food trucks and things like that, all Asian inspired and geared that direction. So I'm very excited about this event. Like I said, it's super tiny, at least the Blushcon aspect of it. It's very inexpensive. Tickets for 2 days is $17 and tickets for 1 day is $11. But again, these tickets get you in for all 3 events. So like I said, I will be going on Saturday the 19th. I'm very excited about it. I don't really know what to expect. I kind of have been watching some videos to kind of prepare myself and ease my anxiety and stress a little bit, but it looks like a very tiny version of like BeautyCon or Gen Beauty, just some brands and booths set up. You can do things like post pictures and get samples and things like that. I am an ambassador for Blushcon. That just means that I can earn points by posting photos on Instagram and things like that, or by posting videos, and with those points then I can go ahead and like redeem them for a photo shoot or for to be featured on their website, things like that. So if you're interested in more information about being a Blushcon ambassador, go ahead and let me know down below. If you are going to Blushcon, again, let me know. I will be hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully vlogging. I'm not super comfortable with vlogging out in public, but I do want to get some footage to show you guys what it looks like. I will be vlogging my experience afterwards, letting you know more about what it was to kind of prepare you guys for next year if you're interested in it, as well as the products that I received from attending. I am planning on checking out Anime Impulse as well, and the Asian American Expo. I'm planning on checking all of it out. The event runs from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. both days. It is a long day, and I'm just really excited. I love beauty events, and this one is so small and so new, so I'm super excited about checking it out and seeing what they have to offer. And yeah, like I said, if you are going, please let me know down below. If you have gone in the past, let me know what it was like, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos talking about my experience, my haul, different things like that, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you